In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter internal traffic in Google Analytics GA4. By the end, you'll know how to stop your team's clicks and tests from skewing your reports so your data reflects real visitor behavior. Start by opening your Google Analytics account and signing into the property where you want to apply the filter. We're heading straight to the settings, so look for the gear icon labeled Admin at the bottom left and click it. This takes you to the property and data setup area where stream level configuration lives in GA4. Next, click Data Streams. You'll see a list of your streams, such as your website or app. Select the specific one you want to configure by clicking on it. This opens the Stream Details panel with tagging and measurement options. Inside the stream, click Configure Settings. Depending on your interface, this may appear as Configure Tag Settings. If you don't immediately see the option you need, click Show More to expand the full list of available configurations. Now find and click Define Internal Traffic. This is where you tell GA4 which IP addresses belong to you and your team, so hits from those addresses can be identified as internal. Click Create to start a new rule. Enter a name that clearly describes the rule, such as Office Network or Remote Team. Clear naming helps you manage multiple rules later and avoids confusion if you have several locations or VPNs. Next, choose the match type. This tells GA4 how to compare incoming requests to the IPs you provide. If your office uses a single, fixed IP, use a direct match like equals. If your company has a range of addresses, use a range-based option, often expressed with CIDR notation. For dynamic or partially changing IPs, you might use begins with or contains as appropriate. Choosing the right match type ensures you capture all internal visits without accidentally filtering real users. After you've picked the match type, enter the IP address or pattern that represents your internal traffic. Avoid entering personal or sensitive addresses in shared environments, and if you're unsure of your organization's IP details, check with your IT team to confirm the correct values. When everything looks good, click Create to save the rule. From now on, GA4 will tag hits from those addresses as internal, allowing you to keep your analytics focused on genuine user behavior. If your team works from multiple locations or uses a VPN, repeat this process to add separate, clearly named rules so your internal coverage stays complete and accurate. That's it. Your internal traffic is now defined in GA4, helping you maintain cleaner, more reliable insights.